Hey friends, it's Ian Khan, the Futurist, here at the Humanoid Summit in the Bay Area. I've got with me Igor. Igor is an innovator, he's a scientist, he's an inventor. So here we are talking to Igor about what they're doing here at the summit. Igor, welcome to the Futurist here at the Humanoid Summit. A lot is happening.
Oh yeah.
What are you guys working on?
Yeah, so we're building this robot, of course. It's a general purpose robot, but specifically for tabletop manual work. So where people need to do work with their hands and sit at the table. You think like humanoids, it's not super optimal shape for this specific work.
Okay.
But it's still a big chunk of the labor and work.
So anywhere where you could have a setup where something needs to be assembled, maybe? Assembly, like assembly? Hand assembly? Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, our main focus for now is like electronic assembly. So we assemble electronic devices.
Okay.
So it's like connectors, screwing bolts, some soldering. So
right. So in a let's say I came up with a new device, a new mouse or a new transistor radio, right?
Yeah.
And we're like, hey, we're going to do it, and it runs on a factory line where different spots are different things get added to it, and at the end of the line comes out that radio.
Yeah.
Is that an application?
So we focus on specifically workspaces and places where you still need a human, still need people to do this boring assembly work.
Right.
So, so the best use case if you leave the automations that already exist, but for this last couple percent that still needs the human touch, you can use our robot.
Okay.
So we focus on this on like final assembly. Usually it's final assembly when you have some wires, some bendings, some randomness. Yes.
Excellent. So where is it currently deployed? Are you working with customers right now, or what stage are you at?
So we have a queue of customers, and they like made the paid reservations. But the problem is we need to build and ship these units. So we have one unit that assembled and ready, and it's here in Humanoid Summit. But in the next months, we will start to ship it to the first customers.
Good. Now, when it comes to robotics, how did you guys come up with that idea of, hey, let's concentrate on just one application, put it in one place? Like, what was that process like?
Yeah, so it's our background. We were owners of electronic manufacturing company for about 9 years.
Yeah.
So we understand the problem there, and this helped us to build own robots. So it's like multiple benefits. Yeah, and it's quite wide range of tasks. So even if you only assemble electronics, you still have like different types of connectors, wires, different types of operations. So it helps to make our model like more general purpose with this wide range of data.
Very cool. What do the next, maybe the 3 to 5 years look like? You're ready to ship now, excuse me, and you've built your product. Next 3 to 5 years, what will you do? Are you building something new? You're just growing this line? Tell us more.
Yeah, so it seems like there's a lot of work in product assembly, like United States outsource all the manufacturing, all the assembling products to other countries.
Yeah.
So it's a huge market. So we can stay there for a couple of years, and then later we can increase capabilities of our robot, like add legs or some chassis so it can move, or add supplementary robots that can feed these materials to this factory. So yeah, this is a long-term vision. But in the short term, so we can already do useful work with our design. So we have this standardized box. So if you train it, this setup, even with current technologies, to do this work, you can already scale it. You can just replicate the same box, and all the models, all the training effort that you spend in one box can be just copy. So
copy paste.
Yeah. So we hope we can deploy it even sooner than other companies.
Yeah, so I know undoubtedly, manufacturing is definitely one of these industries where costs can balloon when you have to start exporting, importing, and within the US as well. Some components are made here, they will send it out, then they'll bring it back. It happens a lot in US, Canada, and with Mexico in the car industry. Something is made here, then it gets sent to Canada or to Mexico by the car manufacturers. It undergoes some more assembly there, some additions, then it comes back here, and then it's fitted into the vehicle. So that's definitely a problem that can save time as well as just the money to send back and the logistics if at all. So I think you're definitely onto something. Anybody starting in robotics, anybody wants to start in robotics, and this is my last question to you, what should they do? What's your advice to them right now, given the state of robotics and how it's growing?
So it's pretty tough space, and of course a lot of problems that are hard. So if you want to do this, start up in this area or work in this area, you need to fully commit to this, or you will not survive. So there's a lot of challenges with hardware, with software, with mixing it together, with fundraising until these humanoids and general purpose robots not ship it in mass scale. So not all people believe that it will work. So this is the early stages. So yeah, you need to be probably fully committed to this and love this space.
Incredible. Well, we wish you all the best, Igor. Best of luck with putting this whole thing together. You're already doing it. Yes. And thank you so much for joining us here at the Futurist.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you.
Pleasure.